गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री और ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री का टॉपिक 1 जो हम आज डिस्कस करेंगे वो करेंगे एल्कोहल्स, फिनोल्स एंड ईथर्स। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। एल्कोहल्स क्या होते हैं? दे आर द हाइड्रोक्सियल डेरिवेटिव्स ऑफ हाइड्रोकार्बन। कि जब हम हाइड्रोकार्बन में से हाइड्रोजन को रिप्लेस करेंगे और हाइड्रोक्सियल ग्रुप मतलब OH ग्रुप को लगाएंगे, जो हमारे पास डेरिवेटिव्स बनेंगे बच्चे उन्हें हम बोलते हैं एल्कोहल्स। और अगर हम बेंजीन रिंग के हाइड्रोजन को रिप्लेस करें हाइड्रोक्सियल ग्रुप से तो जो डेरिवेटिव्स बनेंगे वो बनेंगे बच्चे फिनोल्स, मींस हाइड्रोक्सियल डेरिवेटिव्स, जिनमें एल्केन के साथ अगर हमारे पास OH ग्रुप लगा होगा तो बच्चे हम एल्कोहल्स बोलेंगे। अगर इसी की तरह एरोमेटिक रिंग मतलब बेंजीन के साथ हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप लगा होगा तो बच्चे उन्हें हम फिनोल बोलेंगे। नंबर नेक्स्ट, दीज एल्कोहल्स आर क्लासिफाइड इनटू प्राइमरी सेकेंडरी एंड टर्शियरी एल्कोहल्स। बच्चे प्राइमरी एल्कोहल दे आर ऑल द types of monohydric alcohols. Those alcohol in which there is one hydroxyl group attached to the carbon atom we can call monohydric alcohols. When the carbon chain contain two hydroxyl groups we can call dihydric alcohols, and when the carbon chain contain 3 or more hydroxyl groups we can call polyhydric alcohols. Primary, secondary and tertiary are the type of monohydric alcohols. What are primary alcohols? In which hydroxyl group is attached to 2 hydrogen and 1 alkyl chain. Those alcohol in which hydroxyl group attached to 2 hydrogen and 1 alkyl chain. Secondary are in which the hydroxyl group attached to that carbon which have 1 hydrogen and 2 alkyl chain. Similarly, tertiary alcohol are those in which hydroxyl group attached to that carbon which contain 3 alkyl chains. Right? Ab the important point here, we can discuss the primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. The primary member of this is methanol. The formula is CH3OH. Secondary alcohol is CH3CHOH, that is isopropyl alcohol, and tertiary butyl alcohol is their primary member. Tertiary butyl alcohol is the primary member of the tertiary alcohols. Now preparation of alcohols. Number 1 is from alkene. The general formula of alkene is CH2 double bond CH2, it is ethene, and what will in ethene the reaction is hydroboration, B addition of BH3 followed by hydrolysis. We can get that the alkene, that is ethanol. The mechanism is, for example, I take CH3 CH double bond CH2. When boron is added to the alkene, the addition takes place by a 4-membered transition state. 4-membered transition state, and here hydrogen is more electronegative in comparison with the boron, so hydrogen is attached to that carbon which contain less number of hydrogen and boron which contain more number of hydrogen. We can call it is Markovnikov addition. Markovnikov addition. And what will we get? We can get CH3 CH2 CH2 BH2. Similarly, we can add another propene molecule. What we can get? We can get CH3 CH2 CH2 BH. Then third propene molecule we can get CH3 CH2 CH2B, followed by hydrolysis of alkene. तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? We can get OH plus BH3. Means hydrogen, it have two part, OH negative and H positive. Hydrogen is added to the boron part and hydroxyl group is added to the alkyl part. We can get, this is propanol. Another method of preparation of alcohol is from the reduction of, another method is reduction of aldehyde and ketones. Aldehyde and ketones. The general formula of the aldehyde is R C double bond O H and ketone is R C double bond O R. Now there are two reducing agents we can use. One is sodium borohydride and another one is lithium borohydride. Now sodium borohydride is called as weak reducing agent and lithium borohydride is called as strong reducing agent. What will happen? It oxidize, reduce all the carbonyl groups beside aldehyde and ketones, means esters, alcohol, alkyl halides, anhydrides, amides, all are reduced by the lithium borohydride. But sodium borohydride is specific for primary aldehydes and ketones. What we get? Primary alcohols are obtained from the aldehyde and secondary alcohols are obtained from the ketones. The mechanism of addition is how we can add. The primary aldehyde gives primary alcohols and ketone gives secondary alcohol. The mechanism is lithium or sodium borohydride break down into two parts, Na plus plus BH4 negative, the two units. But the reducing unit is here BH4 negative. How we can add? This is the formula of aldehyde. We can add boron hydride BH4 negative. One hydrogen of the boron is added over the carbon because the carbon is electron deficient and oxygen is electron rich. Hydrogen is added over this component and boron is added over the oxygen component. What we can get? We can get R C H H O BH3 negative. Similarly, another aldehyde is added. What we can get? We can get यहाँ से एक हाइड्रोजन रिड्यूस कम होता जाएगा और यहाँ पे RCH2O ग्रुप जो है वो बढ़ता जाएगा. RCO BH2 H twice. Similarly, we can add, how many hydrogen are here? 2. We can add 2 C double bond OH groups. But we can get RCH2O 4 times B negative, followed by hydrolysis. हमें क्या मिलेगा? RCH2 OH प्लस BOH का थ्राइस। तो यहां पे हमें क्या पता चला कि एल्डिहाइड गिव्स प्राइमरी अल्कोहल। सिमिलरली when we add sodium borohydride to the ketone, this instead of this hydrogen we can replace here by the R group, so we can get secondary alcohols. Number third, from oxygens. What are oxygens? Basically they are the epoxide, or another one is, what are epoxide? Means when the two carbon atoms are linked by the oxygen linkage, we can call oxygens, and it is ethylene oxide or ethoxygen. When we add the ethoxygen with Grignard reagent, what is RMGX? It is Grignard reagent. In Grignard reagent there are two parts. One is alkyl part, and in alkyl carbon is more electronegative in comparison with the metal, and this part is added over here, and this break down into R. I can write here R CH2 CH2O MgX followed by hydrolysis. In hydrolysis this part can be break down. R CH2 CH2OH, and oxygen further gives primary alcohols. Beside that, if we add the Grignard reagent to either aldehyde or ketone, we can get aldehyde gives secondary alcohols and ketones gives tertiary alcohols. How? The mechanism of the addition is takes place in such a way that this part is added over here and this part is added over. What we can get? Alkyl part attached to the carbon and oxygen attached to the magnesium to form an intermediate, that is ROMGX H followed by hydrolysis. This bond can be broken. We can get RCOH RH, and this is secondary alcohol. Similarly, ketones gives tertiary alcohols. Thank you.